Cough medicine. I fed my neighbor's dog cough medicine, but it was my parrot's cough medicine. And the dog died a parrot's death. Its dog corpse grew parrot feathers in the ground, and from the dead dog mound a parrot tree shot up into the sky. As parrots grew from the parrot tree, my neighbors grew angry and began to blame everything on me. America's standing in foreign affairs was falling apart due to my lack of competence, and now I was planting foreign plants and lawns and generally fucking with the ecosystem. It's strange now, looking back on those days, now that I am about to die with green slime filling my throat. Nobody is in my room, and nobody outside of it remembers the parrot tree that died relatively quickly, or the occasional parrot that would drop from the sky in the month after the whole thing happened. Nobody remembers anything from that time. I look back on my life and see a pile of waste that stretches from long before I was born till far after the next meteor crashes into us and makes the future again.